Hi, welcome back to the Phonics Haven. I hope we find you doing well. We got another exciting video for you. This is about rooting cuttings. Whether or not it's tomato plants, some kind of plant that you are trying to produce, clone, or whatever you want to call it. You can use different kinds of cloning material like root hormone with it. I use Clonex. It's a little bit more expensive than most things, but I found out that Clonex is one of the best. It's a gel type liquid form, but it works excellent. A lot of hydroponics people use it, and have really had success with it. I've had success with it. So, but anyway, that's what I use when I'm doing cuttings and different things like that. But anyway, a lot of times when you're doing cuttings, you put in water. You set it out, you're constantly having to change the water because it gets real cloudy. It gets have problems with the water getting dirty because of it gets stale, and if you don't change it, it will cause rot. So I'm trying something, and we're trying to experiment with some things. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So stay tuned. And yes, there's a gallon thing you can buy at Walmart that has a little spout on it that you can, just put your cup up under and get something to drink out of it, like tea or lemonade or anything like this. These things are $5, $6, $7 at the most at Walmart or any store, discount store, whatever you want to call it. But what I have here, I'll bring it closer to you. I have, the water looks a little cloudy, but what it is probably the hormone in there that has caused to get cloudy in there. But the hormone stuff that was put on the end of the plant. But what I used in there was distilled water. What I used in there. But what I did, I took a plastic cup, and you see how I cut around it, cut the bottom out, then I just made little legs and made it to where it was big enough that it would go into the top of this. Okay, I got an air hole drilled in here, and then I took a rubber band and put it around it, and I made it so that I could take that rubber band, pull it back, and stick the cuttings down in there so that it would hold the cuttings up. As you can see, it's holding the cuttings up out of the water, the top of them, and the bottom of them are still setting in the water. Now, they have been setting like that for approximately about a week now. This is what this water looks like after a week. I've got a little air stone in there going. Just a little small, little $6 pump from Walmart. The cheapest pump I could find. That's what I did. Put it in there, and I'm trying this just to see what it'll do. I had this set, and my wife wasn't using this. The reason why I like this, if I do have to change the water, I don't have to take this out. I don't have to turn it upside down. I can just turn this, drain this out, take it to the sink, drain it out, and kind of turn it to the side just a little bit to get all the water out of it. And then I can pour more water in there to the level I want it at. Okay? And there I have my water in there. Real simple and real easy to get it. Now, there's something else that I'm using in here with this. This is called Super Thrive. It is a vitamin solution enhanced with kelp. All I did was put just a little drop of this stuff. Now, I just started doing this probably about 3 or 4 months ago with my clippings, and I've noticed a change in the speed of the plants beginning to grow roots. This seems to help them to grow roots faster and seems to be in better health. Just a little drop of this stuff. This stuff's been around, for years. I mean, it's 1940 World's Fair gold medal. My Lord, it's been around. But I'm telling you, just a drop of it in the water. So, I mean, not even a quarter of a teaspoon. Probably a tenth of a teaspoon in this water. So, I mean, it don't take much. Probably about 10 eye drops. Probably not even that much. Probably about 5 eye drops of that stuff in here is probably all I put in there. But this is what I did. Now, I'm not going to tell you this is going to work. I don't know if it's going to work. But this is update 1. And I'm going to show you, this is day 5. Okay? Let's just say day 5. Okay? I think it's day 5. Either day 5 or day 7. But we're going to say day 5. Alright? And then we are going to go from there and see how many days and see if this stuff even make it. If it does make it, how many days it's going to take to do it. Okay? Thank you for watching, and hope that I'm finding you doing well, and stay tuned for more updates on the rooting in a tea jug with air. God bless you. Bye.